Too many hours turned into too many years. I lose track of time and myself.
Too many hours. Too many hours.
Time and myself.
Your smooth surface is decorated with indentations and gaps.
A bit like the notches in my own memory, each marking the moments of my own existence. You can't hold yourself.
You can't hold yourself.
I entrust myself with too much. You feel more bitter than when I remember, as if time took away your facade of innocence. Or perhaps it was me.
Played with the memory of your touch. I polish away this memory and replace it with the thoughts of you, decorating the halls of my mind with light.
To hold both the beautiful and the imperfect close to myself.